channel, and this week we have this is one of those weeks where I spend a lot of time just getting stuff done in the background. So collecting, dropping off, a lot of admin stuff, yeah, a lot of weird stuff this week. So I'm also busy with a couple of things at the workshop, so you'll see that when we get back later. But now we are on a parts run, drop-offs, collections, all of that stuff. So you'll see when we get to all the destinations. Now I'm kind of towards the top of Johannesburg, more in Pretoria, so I'm now going to the south and going to a few suppliers out there, and yeah, I'm going to fetch some Cerakote stuff, and then going to drop off a clutch, then going to change a sensor that I got that was incorrect, and so on and so forth. So this is all part of it, so I'm taking you along, and then when we're done with this, we're going to head back to the shop. Cover turbo, papi, turbo. Guys, I'm back at the workshop. It is a new day and managed to get everything done, but there's something I'm going to show you, and this is one of our new builds. Now I'm doing this in collaboration with Basil Classics and their shipping company up on the screen now, and this is part of a new business venture we tackling together. So there's a lot more information coming on this soon. But let me introduce to you the new project on this channel, and it is an AC Cobra. Alright, so these cars have obviously got a super cool and rich history throughout the world, and we are doing something different on this car. And there's a few things we're going to do on this car, but one of them is we have to tackle the paint. This paint job it's not a bad paint job, but there's a lot of little imperfections all over the place, and it's obviously fiberglass. So this car is destined to go to the US, and it's shipping there in a little while, and there's quite a few bits we're going to do on this car. We need to replace the tires, that's a thing. I need to check the brakes all around. We need to give it a good service, give it a deep clean the inside. But there's a lot of little gremlins on this car. So one of the things is we need to obviously give it a paint job. It does run, and it ran when I collected the car. But it doesn't start now. One of the issues is the relay and the way the relay is wired. Another issue is it doesn't want to go out of neutral into park. You can see I've been fiddling around already. There's wheel bearings that need done. So there's quite a few things that we need to do. So it does have, for all you American enthusiasts, it has a big block, Chevrolet big block. Now I know that is sacrilege. I'm not an American, obviously, but I don't know why you would put a Chevy in here, Chevy big block. You know, for me, you know, Ford, I guess, is true to the brand. But either way, this has a Chevy big block. It has a cam in it, but other than that, it's pretty stock. It has cast iron heads, but yeah, like I say, it's pretty stock other than that. So it doesn't have any silencers. So I wish I could start it for you, but it doesn't want to start. So what we're going to do, like I say, is we're just going to go through this car and kind of get it operational, properly operational. There's some ball joints that need to be done on the control arms. We need to go through the brakes. We need to go through everything, and there's a lot of electrical gremlins. So lights, indicators, hooter, you name it, it doesn't work. So yeah, but anyway, that's going to be a wrap for this episode. We're going to start tackling this thing next week. We got a whole bunch of other work we still need to get through, and yeah, we're just tackling it day by day as it comes. But there are even more projects coming, so a lot of different things happening, and we're expanding in different ways. So anyway, welcome to the new project. We're still going to be finishing up on all the other projects, but this bad boy is now part of what needs to be done in the short term. So thanks for watching. We'll catch you guys next week. Ciao.